Hello everyone and welcome to our experiment number 4. How to use an oscilloscope device.
Overview of the scope.
Let's turn on the scope and set it to factory default. Press storage, select waveform, and using the multifunctional knob, scroll down to factory and click. Then press load. We connect the BNC connector to channel 1. Press channel 1 and then select probe. Use the knob to scroll down to 10 times and remove the menu.
Connect probe to the built-in square wave. Remember the ground lead connected to the ground and the input lead to the input square wave. Then press auto to display. Let's do the same thing for channel 2.
Here is the position indicator that tells how far your signal has moved with respect to the ground reference. Turn this knob right here to increase or decrease the voltage division. And you can turn this knob to change the time division.
Turn the position knob to move your signal and you'll see how far you have moved from your reference. This part also shows where you are in memory. Now let's proceed of displaying two channels on the scope. First, attach the ground and live supply to the probe. Click on the measure button, press the menu and it shows channel 2. We then go to voltage and measure for gain maximum. Tap the menu again to measure period and frequency. Then, it will show at the bottom of the screen. You can also turn on right here to display all measurements. We also did some measurements for channel 1 only. We measure V peak to peak, V maximum, frequency, and period. And that's the end of our video. Thank you for watching.